Today we are joined with Father John Duya. I hope I've pronounced that correctly. Father JD has been here with us for the last 3 weeks or so, and he has been an inspiration to us, the youth, especially. And we're happy to have you here, Father, so
Thank you.
that we can get some insights on how to make sure that our spirituality goes in the right direction. And of late, we've seen a secularized kind of world whereby people come for mass just because. I think there's a day you mentioned it during mass. So, according to you and how the doctrines of the Catholic Church, why should we go for mass? Like, what is the real importance of coming to mass, and especially morning mass, because we find that people don't take it with the seriousness that it deserves. Yes.
I think the first reason is we should be able to understand that when God created us, He created us so that we can know Him, we can love Him, we can serve Him, and then we can also meet Him. I think the purpose of morning mass is there's an obligation, and also there's a time to honor God, where we go and encounter Him, and also we share our joys, our sorrows, and we also offer sacrifices. So the most important thing is about thanksgiving, to go and thank God. And I think those people don't say thank you are great thieves, because they may believe that anything that we offer to God, the moment God has given us in life, we are supposed to go back to Him and tell Him thank you. So the most important the important issue when you come for Mass is about thanksgiving, because the Eucharist is thanksgiving.
Oh, Thanksgiving.
Yes.
Those who don't say thank you, they are great thieves.
Oh yeah.
Oh my goodness. That is so good.